So Pelo, thanks for visiting my channel again. So I have a new generator, GenMax, the 11,500 watts. So that one is inverter. So I have a light now. So I just try to put that up. Put this one in up. And try to run this one and close this door to be safe. Door, shut it down. Make sure that's sealed. So this is the generator that try to run it. Tri-fuel GenMax 11,500 IET. It means inverter generator. So 8,500 running watts for the gas. Propane 8,000 watts. And the last is natural gas 6,800. That's the maximum that they can provide. So before I start, that's a big cable, 50 amperes. So here's my setup. So here's my panel. It's gonna put that down, turn up, and then put this 50 amperes on the left so that they can on. So let's do that one. Let's try it if they can run the house. Here's the that you can put there, twist it and lock it. Back to generator. Maybe I'm gonna use the propane. Let's see if the propanes work. I have a review before this one that I use gas and I use propane too. So watch that one if you want. So we are in a gas mode. Let's move that one to the propane. Now in a propane mode, hose is in. Turn this one, the main switch. You see that light? Propane on. Started. So I have 19 hours put only to this one. Start. Start right away. So be sure, remove the plug first. Main switch is up. Put this one in. Make sure it's locked. Twist it tight. Put this back in. All is complete. Put this one in off first. Put this one in on. So power on. So inside I don't have any power on. Everything I turn it off. Only the light that I left it open. So let's see if I have light now. So it's there. I have some light. Put the rep on. Recommended this one's 3. So rep is clicking, so it's working. Pan is spinning. Very good surprise, all working. Microwave, oven, the timer. Check the computer. Let's see if this one is smooth when you working or you used it. LED screen is smooth. Is open. Current is running nice. Check one of my YouTube. So that's one of my YouTube, so you can tell internet is good. Electricity is very smooth. I don't see any bad or everything is normal. The restroom, you only heard very little. so you can sleep good, most especially if you're not sensitive on noise. This inverter is very quiet. So far I like it. I shut off the fan. Just try the AC on because it's not too hot today, so hopefully this one is cake. So inside the house we are 74 degrees, so let's put this one in 73. Hopefully this one is cake. So I heard some kick, so you heard that kick, so I feel the AC now is work. Generator is still run smooth and normal. Let's go outside and check the AC. So I have a very old AC, 22 years, but it's still kicking, you can tell. Here we go. Run that 11,500 watts generator inverter, Genmax. So I suggest to buy some soft start tool like this. The green light is working there, so it means this one's work smooth. So I put in 72 degrees. Before 74, that's why it's not kicking. As soon as put in 72, it runs. So you can tell this generator, you can run the whole house. And back to the unit. So let's see if this one they can open the garage too. So the garage they can open too using that generator. So smooth, no problem too, normal. Closed it. Everything is run perfect. So this one sounds like when you are like far from the generator. My generator is in my backyard, like I think 25 feet away. That sounds look like. So let's go closer to the wooden gate. That's my setup there. Look all normal. So this one, when you close to the generator, that sounds look like 20 feet away from the generator. Let's go closer. Here's my laundry area. Put this one on. Normal. Rep still normal. I hear the humming of the motor. Inside the house now it's 72 degrees. Aircon is still running, so it's about to shut down that generator. So this one is only try to test if the run the whole house. That's the always commonly used if you use the AC. So, but you know, I'm not suggest to use everything. So maybe if you want to use the dryer, you need to shut it down the AC, so to be safe, not to be overload. So here's the maximum you can hear when you inside your house. This is the closest in generator. So I think I can deal with it. Very quiet if you compare to the other generator, most especially my other Westinghouse. It's a little bit louder than this one because it's only regular. This one is inverter. So let's shut it down, this one. So hopefully you like it. Shut this down. Shut everything down. Light shut off. Dining, kitchen, shut it off. one in off. Remove this one. This is the safest to shut it down. Now that's my review on this 11,000 Gen Max tri-fuel. So far I like it. If you ask me, for now, if I suggest to buy this one, why not? So this one, you can run the whole house, even the AC, you can run it too. So far I like this generators, very quiet. And I think that'd be all. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Please subscribe. Thumbs up. Bye.